So the Vivo X300 Fashion Edition or FE has already appeared in multiple regions certifications. And now in a major set of leaks, we received almost all the key specs such as chipset, RAM, storage and even color options ahead of its launch. So let's jump in. So design wise, as the previous X200 FE was based on the Vivo S30 Pro Mini, the upcoming X300 FE is set to follow the design language of the Vivo S50 Pro Mini, which was launched back in December in China. And we can say that's a pretty cool looking handset with those amazingly slim bezels and a trendy camera bar. Anyway, instead of using the MediaTek chipset like its predecessor, the Vivo X300 FE will use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. So, though it's not the top-end flagship chipset, but we can say a premium tier chip and sometimes even positioned for flagship killer devices. Further, it uses the top-tier Adreno 840 GPU, though a scaled-down version, but still pretty efficient to play high-end games. The chipset will be paired with 12 gigs of RAM alongside 256 and 512 storage options. So, quite an incredible combination for an affordable category handset. Now, for the colors, there will be blue and black, but surely there will be other color options too, like its predecessor. As for the cameras, though at the moment we don't know if there are going to be any changes in the core camera specs, but it is set to feature the same 50 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 50 megapixel periscope with 3 times optical zoom. Anyway, earlier leaks revealed that the Vivo X300 FE is going to be a compact handset like its predecessor, a 6.31 inches screen size. And despite being in a small size, it is set to feature a huge 6500 mAh battery with 90 watt wired and 40 watt wireless charging speed. Anyway, we are likely to receive official renders anytime soon as well as its launch date. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.